All right, this is from, I guess, KLARUS, KLARUS, so a 470 Lumen LED flashlight. So it comes with a USB-C charging cable and nice metal. Feels sturdy. Charging, I guess, is hidden in here. Of course, there's instructions there that I'm ignoring, but should be pretty straightforward. So charge it there. It's got their name on it. And there we go. So first off, about an inch wide. Let's turn it that way. Where's David? 1, 2, 3, 4.25, a little under 4.25, and very, very thin. So mine, if you don't count the buckle. So what is it? About a quarter of an inch, and if you're counting the clip there, whatever, and that little thing, a little over half an inch or so. And I assume that's going to be our power button. Okay. Oh my, wow, I didn't know it did that. Okay. So interesting, a lot of the other lights that I have sort of start off with full bright. So this one starts off, and we're seeing a lot of flicker, sorry. So it starts off low, medium, high, and that's pretty bright. Yep, that's pretty bright. Don't look at the light, and then we've got that. So, yeah, so I got this for kind of taking out camping. Very lightweight that I can keep in my pack. And I'll have to look at how long it can run. And I'll also have to see if there's any English on here. Ah, there's the English part, sorry. So, single click. Yep. Okay, so once you select your mode, after 30 seconds, it will just turn it off, so you don't have to cycle through. Okay, and you can go in this double click to get to the strobe, triple click to go into turbo. That would be, I assume, full bright sort of thing. So if we're in that, oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even notice there's a light up here. Interesting. Yeah, I forgot. There's a light up here as well. The rectangle. Okay. Single click. So is there a separate switch for that? So I held the switch, and now I've got that. Okay. And yeah, we're getting the strobe effect. Sorry, it's not stroby here. So this one goes from high to low to off. Okay. So there we go. Yeah, handy. So I guess if you're looking to read kind of a map kind of thing, that would be perfect. There we go. Yeah, neat. So yeah, let me see how long it will run on a full charge. But I'm very, very pleased with this. Feels sturdy. Should be able to, clip on a pocket, hat even maybe if you needed it up there in a emergency type situation. But good enough to keep in a backpack there. And yeah, hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day.
Review of the KLARUS E5. To me, it reminds me of a stick of gum. It's very thin, really bright. Two emitters, this one in the front, or the side rather, and this one in the front. I was really interested in the battery capacity, so I discharged this fully, and then I charged it using my meter. We're going to flip here, and it says 400 something milliamp hours, but this light is actually over their specification, which is rare for a lot of foreign flashlights. This one came in at 650 milliamps, so the battery is absolutely more than what they rated it at. Had a very long life. It went on for over 2 hours when I turned it on and just left it on my desk. It's multi-mode, so when you turn it on, the great feature is it remembers the mode. So if you leave it in a mode for 30 seconds, the next time you turn it on, it goes into that mode. Now if I hit the light again, it's going to change brightness. So now if I turn on the front one by pressing and holding, now if you quickly press again, it's going to change modes. It got brighter, even brighter. Then it goes into this red and blue flashing, not sure what that's for. And you press it again, and it's off. It's a great light. KLARUS makes really quality products. You're not going to be able to change the battery, but hey, it's only 20 bucks. It has a pretty deep clip. You can clip this in your pocket or on your hat if you want to use it like a headlight. And it also has a magnetic base the magnet's very strong, enough to hold the light at various angles. And it's USB-C rechargeable. Like I said, to kill it, to test the battery capacity, I had to leave it on in excess of 2 hours. So that's my review of the KLARUS E5. KLARUS makes some quality stuff, and this being one of them. I hope this was helpful.
Still on. I can't get it to turn off.
Race. Cancel it so that the death of a driver is not forgotten.
The race is going to happen, Captain. But no driver is forced to race.
These wounds don't seem to heal. They've become part of you. No.
Top light still is not working. Tired of returning. Only one light working. The other light is not working. It's on the top, as you see.